Hey guys, it's Julie here. I have another review for you today. I came across these gel pens on Amazon and oh my goodness, they are so awesome. You know, sometimes when you get gel pens, they're kind of, I don't know, kind of hard to use because the ink doesn't flow really clearly or easily or smoothly. Well, with these, it flows really smooth. These are amazing colors. That's what they're called. There's 24 pens in this package. You get 12 glitter, which are the best in this bunch. The glitter is amazing. Then you get 6 neon and 6 pastel. These are perfect for coloring in coloring books. I really have enjoyed them. And the ink lasts a good long time. I was really impressed. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to the paper here that I have below them so that I can do like a little swatch for you guys of some of the colors and show you how well that they write right out of the package. I didn't have any problems. I didn't have to scribble on a scratched piece of paper or anything. The ink just flowed super smoothly as soon as I started. So I'm going to zoom in here. Okay. And let's just start with a couple of the glitter. I hope that the glitter shows up on the video because it is really pretty. You can see it for sure because I think because I can see it on mine. And you see I hadn't used this color yet and it just comes out perfect as soon as you start writing with it. I mean, there is like no gaps or nothing. It is just super smooth. To me, that's amazing. Here's another color. This is a blue, like a light blue. I mean, you don't even have to get the ink flowing. It flows automatically, which to me, for a gel pen, that's pretty awesome. Here's another blue. Oh, my hand was in the way, so it's kind of hard to see that one. I'm going to have to back up here a little bit so that you guys can see. And then, of course, we've got a purple. Oop, let me back up just a little bit. Oop, wrong way. Give me just a little bit more space to color here. So this is the purple. And then we've also got like this. This is like a black color, but it's kind of like a smoky gray. And again, this is the glitter. Very cool. Okay, let me real quick put these back in the package, and then I'm going to take out some of the neon ones to show you. I really like these. These are, honestly, they were some of the best gel pens that I've ever used. So here's another purple, and this is just one of the... they call it a neon. I don't think it's really bright enough to be a neon, but this one you might not be able to see because it's the yellow. Oh yeah, you can, but barely. But it is a very bright, almost safety green color. And then here's the green. And again, they call this one of the neon colors. And then they have like a pink, a neon pink. And I think that this is a true neon pink. It's really bright. And then we've got a neon blue. Okay. They also have a white, which I'm not sure the white will show up on this paper. I'll try and go on top of the black and see if you guys can see it. No, you're not going to be able to see it. It does free flow just like the other inks. You know, if you were using it on black cardstock, you'd be able to see it right away. Okay, and then they also have some pastels. They have 6 pastel colors. And you get a pretty light green. Let me do these over here. So you get a pretty, like a minty green. That one's hard to see too. And then you get a baby blue. And you get a nice, really pretty peachy color. And then I'll zoom in on this. Hopefully I can catch it. And then you get a yellow. But this is more of like a buttery yellow color. And then you get a nice soft pink. And then you get a purple, which to me is almost the same. Well, I guess it's a little bit darker than the neon purple. So those are the colors that you get, and you can see they all wrote really well right out of the package. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to make long lines. I didn't have to scribble. It just came right out, and that's the kind of gel pen that I like. I don't like having to, you know, when I'm writing or when I'm, you know, let's say I'm just going to write my name. I don't like to have places where it skips because, well, you can't see that, can you? Let me write it up here. Where it skips, because that's no fun, because then you have to go back over it and it doesn't look very good. So, I really like these pens. I've used them several times in coloring books. I would show you my coloring book, but I have one of the vulgar adult coloring books with all the cuss words in it, and I don't know if that everyone would appreciate that like I do, so I'm not going to show that. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. I will leave the link down below so that you guys can go check these out for yourself.